Today we have another Nintendo Switch, and the problem with this one is that it does not detect the Joy-Con on the left side. So we're going to go ahead and replace the rail on the left side, and that should be all that we have to replace. And I bought it for around $65. So let's go ahead and see if we can repair this Nintendo Switch. So to get started, like always, we're going to remove the 4 screws on the back of the Nintendo Switch. Now we'll do the 2 at the bottom. And then the 2 that are actually on the center of the Joy-Con. And the SD card screw. Then we'll go ahead and take off this back cover. And here's the heat shield for our Nintendo Switch. Then we need to go ahead and remove all the silver screws on this. Then take off the SD card reader and take that screw out and unplug that. There we go. And now the heat shield is removed. We'll go ahead and disconnect the battery just by lifting up on it. And there we go. And this is actually the one that we're replacing over here. So we're just going to go ahead and disconnect this right out of here. We can get a hold of it. There we go. Now our left Joy-Con, or our left rail, is disconnected. And now we'll go ahead and remove the rest of these screws. Oh, and there we go. It has just fallen out like that. And here's our messed up rail. It honestly doesn't look too bad, so I don't know why it messed up. Now we'll go ahead and try to reposition this cable how it was. We're gonna go ahead and try to get the cable plugged back in to its slot. Okay. I believe that's in all the way. We'll go ahead and put the locking tab down. And yeah, it looks like it's in all the way. Okay, now we'll just go ahead and reinstall everything just as we took it off, starting with these screws. Okay, let's go ahead and power on the device. There we go. And we'll grab our right Joy-Con. Go to controllers, make sure that one connects. Yep. And we'll test the left side. And it now connects. And all works just like how it should. Yep. Let me go ahead and test all the buttons. Okay, and it all works. Perfect. And just like that, we successfully replaced the rail on this Nintendo Switch. It is working perfectly now. I'll go ahead and list it on eBay, and next video I'll let you know if I sell it and what the final sale price is. Thank you guys for watching another Nintendo Switch repair, and I'll see you in the next video.